I created this entire kid's animation with free AI tools and it looks like a Pixar movie.
Your toasted bread is ready.
What happened? Why are you malfunctioning? Please stop.
Whose bread is this? It's delicious.
That's my bread, you little thief.
Take this.
Thank you, Toasty.
I'm happy we're friends now.
Me too.
In the next few minutes, I will show you exactly how I did it and you can create your own stunning animations for free. I've created a story script with the help of ChatGPT. This script is designed for image generation and includes 3 key parts for every scene. 1. The main character prompt. 2. The location prompt describing exactly where the scene takes place. And 3. The voice-over narration paired with image prompt. The story unfolds across 7 scenes, each carefully structured to make the images consistent and cinematic. Our main character is Mira, a mischievous 10-year-old witch. Now, let's talk about how to bring Mira and her world to life visually. First, copy the main character prompt for Mira and paste it into Google Wix. Google Wix is perfect for this because it creates high-quality images and, more importantly, keeps your characters consistent across all scenes. A link in the description of this video where you can have access to this script for absolutely free. Inside Wix Studio, go to the subject field, paste Mira's character prompt here, then click Generate. Within moments, Mira appears on your screen, her mischievous charm captured in detail. This first render of Mira will be the reference point for every scene that includes her. Now, return to the story script and move to scene 1. Under this scene, you will see the location prompt. This is crucial because it tells the tool exactly where the action takes place, ensuring that the generated images match the story perfectly. Copy the location prompt for scene 1 and paste it into Wix under scene. Next, choose the visual style for the story. In this case, it's Ultra Detailed Pixel Style 3D Render. After setting the style, copy the main image prompt for scene 1 from the script and paste it into Wix. Since the video is meant for YouTube, make sure to select the 16:9 aspect ratio, which is the ideal cinematic frame for YouTube videos. Finally, click Generate. There it is, the first image for scene 1. You can see Mira inside her room with her cat mischievously waving her magic wand. The atmosphere is full of playful energy and detail. That completes the first step of bringing the story to life. Now, it's time to move on to scene 2. Just like before, copy the image prompt for scene 2 and paste it into Google Wix. Next, copy the location prompt for scene 2 and paste it under scene. Make sure to delete the previous scene so that the tool only focuses on the new scene. With everything in place, click Generate. And just like that, the image for scene 2 is also complete, detailed, vibrant, and perfectly matched to the story. Follow this exact same process for the rest of your scenes. By the end, you will have a full set of high-quality cinematic images that brings your character to life. Now that the images are ready, let's turn them into videos. Head to Google AI Studio, click on Generative Media, and then select View. I recommend View inside Google AI Studio because it's completely free, produces high quality videos, and best of all, there are no distracting watermarks. Here is what to do. Upload your first image. Write the video prompt for it. Remember, the longest video you can generate with View here is 8 seconds. Set the aspect ratio to 16:9 to make it perfect for YouTube. For added cinematic flair, you can also include camera angles in your prompts, like sweeping pans, zoom ins, and slow tracking shots. Once you're ready, hit run and watch View bring your first image to life, and just like that, your first video clip is complete. Now, keep in mind, sometimes View won't run smoothly because of heavy server loads. If that happens, don't worry. Refresh your page or wait a few minutes, then try generating your video again. Repeat the same process for each of your images, and soon you will have a full sequence of polished videos ready to tell your story. Every scene in this story comes with its own narration, and what better way to bring it to life than with a professional sounding voiceover? Here is how to do it completely for free. First, open a fresh Word document, copy all the narrations from your story script, scene by scene, and paste them into the document. Next, arrange them in order so you have one clean, continuous narration from start to finish. Once that's ready, head back to Google AI Studio, click on Generative Media, and then choose Text to Speech. Now, here is why this tool is such a game changer, especially for faceless content creators. It doesn't just handle single narrations, it also supports multiple voices, which makes it perfect for conversations, dialogues, or even podcast-style content. The voices are realistic, better than many expensive paid text-to-speech tools on the market. Paste your entire narration into the box. Listen through the voice options. They sound incredible, don't they?
What sparks your interest?
Ready to make something amazing?
What do you want to explore?
Got a project in mind?
Ready to build something awesome today?
What's a skill you'd like to develop?
What kind of problem could we solve?
For this project, delete speaker 2 so that only speaker 1 remains. Select the voice you like best and then click Run.
Mira opens the attic window to let Niblet out before Grandma sees. The cat squeezes through.
In just a few seconds, your entire story narration will be generated as a free high-quality voiceover, ready to sync perfectly with your images and videos. Now you have your videos and voiceover. Bring them all into your video editor and edit it the way you want. Remember to spice it up with sound effects. All the best.